Over a period of 6 months, 72 atomic bombs are detonated. They generate a combined force of more than 35 megatons. That's the equivalent of 35 million tons of dynamite. The US calls the program Operation Hardtack. Deep in the Pacific Ocean, experts prepare one of Operation Hardtack's most ambitious tests. Its codename, Wahoo. A 9-kiloton nuclear explosive is lowered 975 meters into the ocean. 3 unmanned target destroyers and several barges are moored in the area. Each vessel is equipped with instruments to record shockwaves and radiation. The countdown begins. The spray dome rises 275 meters into the air. The bubble pulse shoots water 530 meters high. And the surge reaches a radius of over 600 meters. A different underwater test is codenamed Umbrella. For this, an 8-kiloton nuclear bomb is lowered 45 meters into the ocean. The spray dome reaches 1,760 meters. Its radius is 2,895 meters. In 1963, the Limited Test Ban Treaty is signed. It allows for only underground nuclear testing. Although a program on the scale of Operation Hardtack will most likely never be seen again, it provided scientists with valuable information for future decades.